Thanks, Jamila. Well, in other news, COVID-19 remains a concern for the leaders of the Police Staff Association on Grand Bahama. Tonight, they are applauding fellow officers for the role they play in ensuring law and order are maintained during the COVID-19 pandemic. These officers say they are committed to the task. Here's our Italia Hall with this report.
Director of the Northern Bahamas for the Police Staff Association, Lincoln Dawkins, says officers have been hard at work since the start of the COVID-19 pandemic, ensuring that residents remain safe and are following the emergency orders.
They have been setting up road checks to make sure the public have adhering to the COVID-19 rules and regulations. They're also making sure that they have their mask with them. We are not really ticketing people as much because some people don't know who's infected with the COVID-19, and the officers are staying a distance.
He says most Grand Bahamans are abiding by the laws. Now, as it relates to the officers, several are in quarantine.
When one officer contracts COVID-19, then that trickles down to the other officers in the station. So that's why we're putting plexiglass on the tank, the COP and the ACP, Mr. Greenslade in Grand Bahama, reference to purchasing of the plexiglass, the disinfectant sprays, and the other disinfectants that we need at the stations.
Now, reports say some officers may be suffering from fatigue as so many officers are in quarantine. Here's what the director of the Police Staff Association had to say.
There's no truth to that because where we are lacking officers, the senior officers are stepping in and they're working the shifts to assist with the manpower.
Italia Hall, ZNS Network News.